Deja, and for this week, for the College Mentors for Kids video of the week, we're going to be focusing on making a Thanksgiving treat. And now, Thanksgiving and the holidays is all about having your family around. So this week I have my sister Delaney, and Delaney's going to helping me make the treat for this week. The treat that we're going to be making for Thanksgiving is something super easy you guys can do at home, and you don't need to cook anything or bake anything in the oven, so it is kid friendly if you guys want to do this with your siblings or any friends. So, for Thanksgiving, we're going to be making chocolate covered strawberries, but our chocolate covered strawberries are going to have a twist. We're going to make them look like Thanksgiving turkeys. You're probably like, that's so weird. How are we going to do that? Well, we're going to show you the ingredients you need and tell you how to make them. So first, you're going to need is strawberries. They can be big strawberries, little strawberries, whatever you can find is good. Then you're going to need some mini marshmallows. If you don't have mini marshmallows and you want to use big marshmallows, that's okay too. You can just cut off little pieces. Then you're going to need some melted chocolate. Now, all you have to do is pour your chocolate chips in a bowl and put them in the microwave. You might want to ask for some help from an adult just in case, but this is all the cooking or baking you'd have to do. And our last ingredient is going to be pretzel sticks. And all you need is some sticks, nothing fancy. All right, and now we are ready to start making our chocolate covered strawberries. So for your first step, you're going to pick whatever strawberry you want. Delaney and I have our strawberries. Then you're going to get one pretzel stick. You're going to try to break the pretzel stick in half the best you can so it's equal. Mine aren't very equal, neither is Delaney's, but it's okay. We're still gonna eat them and they're gonna taste great. Then, you're gonna need 2 mini marshmallows. Now this may be a little bit tricky, so you might need some help from an adult around you. You're gonna take a pair of scissors and you're gonna cut off the corner of your marshmallow. You're gonna do it to both of your marshmallows. Now Delaney's gonna cut hers. Oh, Easy peasy. All right. Now, you're gonna take the end of your pretzel, one pretzel stick, and one of your marshmallows, and you're gonna put it in the bottom. Just like this. Like a little candy stick. And you're gonna do the same thing with your other pretzel stick and your other marshmallow. Stick it right in the bottom. So now you should have 2 of these marshmallow pretzel sticks. There we go, Delaney's got hers. These are gonna act as your wings for your turkeys, okay? So now, you're gonna take your strawberry again, and you're gonna take a knife, a spoon, a fork, whatever you wanna use, and take a little bit of chocolate and put it right on the side of your strawberry. Then you're gonna take a little bit more chocolate and put it right on the other side of your strawberry. Just like that. You have 2 chocolate drops on either side of your strawberry.
Got this side.
Perfect. There we go. Now, take one of your legs, and you're gonna pick either side, doesn't matter, and you're gonna put it right to the chocolate. The marshmallow is gonna go on the chocolate. Then, take your other marshmallow on the stick and put it on the other side. Just like that. Push it in to make sure it's stuck. All right. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to wait a little bit. You're gonna take these and put them in the freezer for 10 minutes to make sure the chocolate on the legs get really, really hard and they're stuck together, okay? And then after 15 minutes, we'll come back and we'll show you the next step. All right, Delaney's taking a little snack break, eating on some leftover strawberries. And our strawberry turkeys have just come out of the freezer. So now we're gonna go into our next part of this recipe, which is gonna be dipping the strawberries in the melted chocolate. Now, this part can get a little messy. There's chocolate on my hands, but where's the fun in cooking if you don't make a little mess? So, you're gonna take your bowl of melted chocolate, make sure it's nice and melty like that. You're gonna move it to one side so there's a big puddle of chocolate. Take your strawberries and dip it right in the chocolate. Swirl it around a little bit. Some of the leaves may break off, but that's okay. Stir it around a little bit, make sure it's all covered in chocolate, and you're gonna pour it out. Let the excess drizzle just a little bit. You can wipe it on the side of the bowl if you need to. They don't have to be super pretty because they're gonna be delicious. Then when you dip it, you're gonna place it on a piece of paper on a cookie sheet. This can be parchment paper, wax paper, even aluminum foil, whatever you have. If you don't have that, take some cooking spray or some butter, wipe it on there, and go ahead and place it on there so they don't stick. Now, you have to do a little more waiting now, because when you're done dipping your strawberries, you're gonna put them back in the freezer until the chocolate is completely hard. So, when our strawberries are done being finished cooling, we'll come back and show you what they look like. All right, guys, the time is up, and now it is time to take your strawberries out of the fridge or the freezer, wherever you put them. Delaney's gonna grab ours. All right, let's see how they look. Here's mine and Delaney's. They look like little turkeys. Now, they're not the most beautiful turkeys in the world, but they will taste delicious when we eat them on Thanksgiving. Now, I hope you guys had fun making your chocolate-covered strawberry turkeys, and I hope you guys have a great holiday season with your family, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!